Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In yesterday video, we have fetched all the nodes from the database and created the delete function and edit function. So in this video, we are going to create a create button in the navbar. So we need dialog. So we are going to install it. We are installing from cn. So npx cn at latest add dialog. It will install a dialog component for our Notes app. Then we are going to create a create dialog for our Notes app. It will install. Yep, it installed. Clear the terminal. Now you can see in the UI section we have dialog.tsh. This we are going to use in navbar. So let's create new component for our dialog. So create note dialog dot tsx. In this we are going to write a dialog component. Guys, now I am going to add React snippet RAFCE. Then I am going to import which we have installed from Shartian now dialog. So import dialog, import diagram for dialog from Redux. No. We want from component UI which we have installed now. Then we will need dialog trigger. Then we need dialog dialog. Then we need dialog content. Then we have dialog trigger dialog. Then we need dialog content and dialog description. So let's install it. And I am going to use card title and card title also. Let me think. I'm going to use card only. Let's import card. Yeah, the card. Yep, from UI. Then we need card HE header. Then we need card title. Then we need card description. Then we need card footer. Then we are going to import button. Then we are going to import logos also. Let's import plus from Lucia React. Then what else we need? I think that's it. We need plus. That's it for now. Let's build our create node dialog. First, we are going to add dialog. Dialog. Okay, dialog trigger is going to be as child. Then button is going to be variant grid size. Okay, then plus slash name is going to be okay new note. Then dialog trigger will close. Then dialog content. Then card. Okay, card header is going to be perfect. Then we have card description. Create a new note. Okay, create a new note. Okay, let me change the description. I am going to change the description. I will add title and content to create note. Next, card header will close, card footer, then button is going to be saved. We are going to add another button for the cancel. Then I am going to name this cancel CANCLE. Cancel what? Next, I am going to import use state. We need it just for the open and close the dialog. So import use state from React. Then I'm going to create it const open and set open is going to be initially it is going to be false. Then I'm going to add to the dialog. Open is going to be open and on change open is going to be set open. Next, what we need dialog content card. Okay, that's it, perfect. We need input and text area. So let's import that. First, we are going to import label. Import label import label from no import label from no label import label from .ui label. Okay, this is where we want from. Then I am going to import input from .ui. Okay, then we need text area. Import text area from .ui text area. Then I am going to add it in the content. So where is card header is complete with the card title and card description. In the card footer, it is going to be button. Then I am going to add card content. Card content. CONTNT. I think imported or not. Let me check. Card header, card title, card description, card footer. Okay, we need to import that. Card content. Then we are going to use it. Card CONTNT. Card CONT. Okay, card content. Under this, we are going to add label. Label, I think we imported as like that. Yep. Label href for is going to be title. Then I'm going to change this label. Then I am going to add title. Then we are going to import text area. Text area. We need to change it to text area. Okay. First, I think we need to import label. Okay, wait, I will import. Okay, I imported text area, but we need the input here. Input. Then type is going to be text. Placeholder. Placeholder is going to be enter note. Enter note title. Then I am going to add another label for the text area content. Okay, label is going to be content. Okay, perfect. Then we have text area ID. No, name is going to be content. Then href for content. Okay, perfect. Then type is going to be okay. I think I'm going to add name here also. Name is going to be title. Then ID is going to be content. Then I think we don't need. Let me check how it is looking like. Let me run the server. npm run dev. Before that, I think we need to import it to the navbar. So let's go to navbar. There is common navbar. Yep, now you can see create nodes dialog. I have imported from create node dialog. Then it is going to be placed here. Create node dialog above the button. Let me check. Let's open the Chrome. HTTP localhost 3000. Let me check how it is looking like. What the heck? Let me press create node. Now you can see we have beautiful UI, but we need to design it later. Create nodes, add title and content to the create node. Then we have title, but enter a title. Then we have content. Enter a content. Then we have cancel and save button. When user click cancel, we are going to set state to the false. When user plus save, then we are going to fetch API to the post method. So let's do that. Next, we are going to wrong. Next, we are going to design the card beautifully. So let's go create new node dialog. Then I am going to add grid. So let's add. I am going to add class name for title. Class name text is going to be 3XL. Then font bold. Let me check how it is looking like. It will look better, I think. Now we can see create note is looking better. Next, we are going to add padding for this. So let's add padding. For the card content, I am going to add grid. Gap is going to be 6. So add card content, class name. Okay, class name is going to be grid. Gap is going to be 6. Let me check how it is looking like. Which refresh. Let's open again. We have a gap from this title and this title. So let's add gap for here. So let's go to guys. Now you can see I have added the proper CSS, tailwind CSS for it. We have padding and margin for perfect, and we have justify end this cancel and save button. When user press cancel, we need to close the window. When users press save, we are going to save the notes to the database. So let's write guys. Then there should be subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Now let's press save. Let's refresh. Now you can see we have this notes. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Then when we try to delete it, it will ask, do you want to delete it? Then we are going to press OK. Then our post will delete. First, we are going to add cancel button perfectly. Let's go to cancel. Where is the cancel button? Okay, okay. On button we are click OK. Set to open is going to be false. I am doing it. Then we have button type is going to be submit save. Now our creating notes is completely ready. Now you can see it. You can test it also. Let's open. Let's try to log out. Now we are logged out. Let's try to log in. Test. at gmail.com, then 123, then try to log in. Now you can see we have logged in and logged out. So let's try to create another one. Last note, this video is going to end now. That's it for this video, guys. Now you can see we have new note. Last note, this video is going to end now. Stay tuned. In next video, we are going to fix when your user press save, then we are going to automatically fetch the data. Now we need to manually refresh it. In next video, we are going to make it automatically. And next video, we are going to make edit also. So stay tuned and subscribe.